Will cosmetic or aesthetic dental procedures make your teeth look fake? Are these dental procedures, which are actually supposed to enhance your smile, actually supposed to make you look more beautiful, your teeth more appealing, will they lead to some unnatural appearance of your teeth? If yes, how? And what we can do so that they look very natural and good. So we'll talk about the natural look outcome with these cosmetic dental procedures. Namaste, I am Dr. Ankit from Seraphic Dental Indore. I come from Central India and we are practicing dentistry, hair transplants, facial cosmetic surgeries since more than a decade in Indore. And with the help of this YouTube channel, I intend to bring the real insights and updates on all of these treatments to you. So please subscribe this channel so that we can stay connected and we can talk to each other. What are cosmetic dental treatments? See, if you have gaps in your teeth, if you want your teeth to look more white, they are yellowish. If the teeth are crowded, they are malaligned, they are overlapped, there are spaces, the teeth are chipped, they are crooked, they don't show too much, they are too short in the size, or they show up too much, the display of teeth is too much when you smile, you want that to be less. All these things are addressed in cosmetic dental treatments. So what is being done in these treatments? Either you move your teeth with the help of braces or aligners, or you cover them with the help of crowns or veneers, or you fill in certain filling materials called as composite or laminates over your teeth. So these are the common things we do in cosmetic dental treatments. The things are these many only. There is no XYZ or there is no thing from another planet that will come into picture and will help you out with your smile. There are these treatments only which would be done, but their planning will be totally different case to case. The plan will be absolutely different for each one of you, and it will also vary according to the experience and according to the comfort zone, according to the factor that how much your doctor trusts that treatment. So all these factors come into play when you decide your treatment and your doctor chooses his weapon to deal with your case. When we talk about braces and aligners, then obviously we are not doing anything unnatural. There is no artificial thing, there is nothing fake. We are just moving your teeth and we are shifting them from one place to the other so that you enjoy a good smile, you enjoy a good perfect position of your teeth. So there is no question, we are not talking about that in this video. Now we come to some filling materials. Filling materials, as we all know, we have wide variety of white colored, tooth colored filling materials coming in different shades. Very good brands have come up with them, which look absolutely like your own teeth. See this picture. This is the gap in the center in the midline, and this is his outcome where we have corrected that gap with just a simple filling material. So we cannot call it unnatural in any way. Another example is this. Gaps again filled up with composite, you can see the outcome. So quickly I'll rush through one more example. See this again filled up with the filling material. So you can see here that there is a thing called as artificial here. You cannot make out that something is being done here. And it is very simple. If you don't like, you can take out that filling, throw it away. Nothing will happen to your teeth. Absolutely don't worry about that. Very easy, no pain, not even one injection, not even one tablet, not even one medicine. Just a single visit to your dentist. You like it, well and good. You don't like it, throw it away. Filling is very simple, nothing to lose, economic also, no big money wasted, no pain, no suffering, no downtime, nothing. You can see the mirror in the dental office only. 99.99% you will like that if you have chosen a good dentist with you. 0.01% if you don't like, discard. Now we come to crowns or veneers. This is the most questionable thing, most doubted thing, and the most important thing, the most versatile thing, the most used thing, the most helpful thing, the most long-lasting thing, and the most beautiful thing. What? Crown and veneers, which are used in cosmetic dentistry, which are used in aesthetic dentistry, in smile design to enhance your smile. So friends, there are two components of this. One is the plan your dentist has made, and one is the material selection your dentist has done. Both of these things go hand in hand. Both of these things affect each other. Both of these things will jointly contribute to give you a natural and a beautiful aesthetic outcome. If the plan is not good, then no matter how beautiful material you have selected, it will not look natural, it will look fake. And if the material is not selected nicely, no matter how good the plan you have made, again it will look fake. You need to plan it in a perfect way. you need to address all the things around the gums, the lips, the complexion of your skin, the size of your face, your personality, your profession, your age, everything. It's a complete package. It's not just about the teeth. It's a complete package that comes within you. So your dentist, need to address everything. They need to explain you in beforehand. There are so advanced software technology that you can see the final outcome of your smile even before starting the treatment. Not only this, you can select multiple options and you can see your before after simulation before starting the treatment in all different plans. You can select different shapes of the teeth, different size of the teeth, different color of the teeth. You can see, okay, so with plan A, I will look like this. With plan B, I will look like this. With plan Z, I will look like this. Everything is in front of you. Just you need to make good use of the technology with hand. So the proper planning is most important thing. Then it should be executed with good material choice in a good lab where the people are good enough to address all those things and implement what you have planned on software. Material selection is very important. It's not like that a zirconia crown is same throughout the world. Zirconia means zirconia. It's not, absolutely not like that. We can do a zirconia in X price and we can do a zirconia in 5X price. This is how wide versatile, this is how wide rangeful it is. Understanding or not, you can do a zirconia in, suppose say, 1 rupee, and you can do a zirconia in 5 rupees. So much of difference in quality, in terms of look, in terms of translucency, in terms of natural look. So much of difference in zirconia. It's not like that zirconia is same. Zirconia means zirconia. There's wide range in zirconia also. You can do a zirconia crown for X rupees and you can also do a zirconia crown for 5X rupees. So much of difference. So understand these things in detail. Go into the specificities of all these things. You should not just think that if dentist A is offering zirconia for this much amount and B is offering for this much amount, so both the zirconias are same, let me go to the cheaper one. It's not like that. Ask what type of zirconia you have. Ask that, show me some pictures with such zirconia. Then that will make you a good idea of that. Ask that, can I have a better zirconia than this? Then what's the difference between those two? Ask, go in details of these things. So material selection. If these two things are good, your outcome will look 100% natural. Absolutely 0% fake. Nothing fake in that. Just see these pictures. See this. Can you tell that where are the crowns placed? Now see this. You get an idea where are the crowns placed? Again see this. Can you tell me where are the fake teeth? Where are the crowns? You cannot find even to look at, if you look at it whole night, you cannot tell me that where are the crowns in this. Now see the before picture. Now you get an idea that where are the crowns. Okay, these 4 teeth are the crowns. So there are thousands of cases which I can show you, but not in this video. What I mean to say is that in whatever corner of the world you are listening to me, that don't get afraid of these things, that it will look fake. It won't look fake if you have selected the right person doing it for you. Just see all the pictures beforehand. Ask your dentist to show simulation of before after before starting the treatment on your own real photograph, and give liberty to him. Maybe a matter of some money or maybe a matter of some days to work. Ultimately, we are supposed to give you a good result. Every person wants to give good result to their patients. Just you need to be a bit patient. Just you need to understand the economics of that. You need to understand different options. Whatever suits your budget, go for that. But don't get scared. Just choose the right material, choose the right doctor, choose right technology, and choose the right plan. Realistic plan. So I would like to conclude with saying that the cosmetic dental procedures, if planned nicely, executed nicely, with the help of good tech, with good input, good skill, good experience, good hard work, nothing will look fake. Thousands of celebrities, thousands of politicians, thousands of models, actresses, sports persons have got it done. They all look beautiful. You can also have that smile. Just be wise enough to decide the things. Still, if you want to learn something more about cosmetic dental procedures, you can write it down to us. I wish a very good smile and I wish a fantastic future to every one of you out there. Thank you.